Welcome back to another Wealth Code video, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more of our great videos. Have you ever had a conversation with Siri or Alexa? That's a simple example of a language model. Now, imagine creating a super smart version from scratch. A large language model, or LLM, is a type of AI that understands and generates human-like text. Think of it as a digital chef. Just like a chef combines ingredients to make a delicious meal, an LLM combines words and data to create text. But here's the kicker: it needs lots of practice to get good. Just like training for a sport, it requires time and the right materials. So how do you get started? Just like you'd gather ingredients for a cake, you'll need data to teach your model. This could be books, articles, or any kind of writing. The end goal? You can build an LLM that can assist businesses, create content, or even chat with users, all while earning you money. Are you ready to dive in? Think of your LLM's success as a recipe. What you put in largely determines the outcome. In this case, the ingredients are data. You need quality text data to train your model effectively. Imagine you're making a smoothie. If you use fresh, ripe fruits, you'll get a tasty drink. However, if you use rotten fruit, it'll taste bad. Similarly, your model requires good quality data. Sources can include online articles, books, and websites. It's like gathering all the best ingredients from your local market. Remember that the more diverse your data, the better your model will understand different writing styles and contexts. It's essential to clean the data too, just like washing fruits before blending. Remove any irrelevant information, errors, or biases so your model learns accurately. Once you have your data properly cleaned and organized, you are ready for the next cooking step: training your model. Now, let's get into the heart of it: training the model. Picture a toddler learning to walk. At first, they stumble, fall, and try again. Training an LLM is similar. You feed it data, and it learns from it, adjusting its understanding with each cycle. This phase is done using algorithms, which tell the model how to process and understand patterns in the data. You'll use something called machine learning, which helps the model learn from experiences, much like how you learned math by solving problems. You need a powerful computer to handle all this learning, often equipped with a graphics card designed for crunching big numbers quickly. Your model will go through thousands or millions of text examples, continuously refining its ability to predict what words come next in a sentence. Keep an eye on its performance during training. If it's not improving, you may need to tweak your approach, just like adjusting a recipe if the dish isn't quite right. Training a model is like a sculptor chiseling away at clay. The first form is there, but it needs refinement. Fine-tuning is the stage where you make your LLM even better. Picture yourself as an art critic looking at a masterpiece. You assess what works and what needs to change. Once the initial training is complete, you'll use a smaller dataset tailored to specific tasks. It's akin to a chef specializing in gourmet dishes after mastering basic cooking skills. Fine-tuning allows your model to excel in specific areas, whether it's writing poetry, chatting with users, or generating reports. This step also helps reduce any remaining biases in the model, which is crucial for ensuring fairness in its responses. You'll want to test the model at this stage, checking how well it performs the tasks you've set out. Feedback is essential in this step. Adjust and make changes until your model starts pleasing the palate, like finding a perfect blend of spices to enhance the dish. Once your model is trained and fine-tuned, it's time for deployment. Think of it like launching a new product, the moment everyone has been waiting for. You want your LLM to be accessible to users. This often means deploying it to the cloud, similar to putting your store on the internet. This way, people can access it anytime and anywhere. You'll need to set up an interface so users can interact with your model easily. It's akin to designing a menu for your restaurant. Clear, easy navigation means customers will have a better experience. Additionally, consider scalability. If your model becomes popular, it needs to handle a surge in users without crashing. You'll also want to implement ongoing monitoring, just as a restaurant checks feedback on its dishes. This ensures your model keeps serving well, updating its recipes as trends change, and accommodating new user preferences. Before you know it, you're set to make money as users engage with your model. Now that your LLM is live, how do you earn money from it? Think of it as opening a snack stand after all that hard work. You can charge users on a subscription basis, allowing access to your model for a monthly fee. Alternatively, you might offer pay-per-use options, where users pay based on how much they engage with your LLM. This is similar to charging customers for each snack they grab. Another option is partnering with businesses that can integrate your LLM for customer service or content generation. They pay you a fee for that access. Imagine a bakery that uses your model to create new recipes. They'd happily pay you for that valuable help. Marketing is key here. Just like advertising a new snack stand with tasty samples, use social media and word of mouth to get the word out. Keep improving your model based on user feedback to retain customers and attract new ones. Ultimately, this is how your skills turn into income. As you embark on this journey, it's important to recognize potential challenges. Building an LLM can be like navigating a maze filled with twists and turns. Data quality issues may arise. If your data is biased or incomplete, your model may produce flawed results. For instance, if you feed it outdated information, it won't perform well. You might face technical challenges too, such as the complexity of the algorithms. This is like trying to fix a car engine without prior experience. It can get tricky. Additionally, user expectations can be high. They might expect your model to know everything. It's essential to manage those expectations. Continuous learning is vital for you, just like a chef aims to enhance their skills throughout their career. Stay updated on advancements in AI, engage with communities, and keep experimenting. By preparing for these hurdles, you can navigate the complexities and build a model that stands out. As we wrap up, remember that training an LLM from scratch is a journey filled with learning and creativity. Just like building a tasty dish from simple ingredients, you have the potential to create something extraordinary. Start small, gather your data, and take one step at a time. Consider this an opportunity to innovate and contribute something unique to the world. Your LLM could assist countless businesses, solve problems, or even bring joy to conversations. So, are you excited to dive into this exciting field? Begin today. Explore the resources available. Experiment with building your model. And don't forget to share your successes. Your journey could inspire others, just as a well-cooked meal inspires friends at dinner. If you found this video helpful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into wealth-building opportunities in tech. Let's unlock the wealth code together, one innovative step at a time. For more videos from Wealth Code, don't forget to like and subscribe.